evaluate integration of 0 to 1 integration of x to root x xy dy dx by changing the order of integration. Okay, now find the solution. Now this problem is change of order of integration. Okay, now given integration is integration of 0 to 1 and this is x is equal to 0 to 1 and second integration is y is equal to x to root x. Now xy dy and dx, first with respect to y, second is with respect to this is x and y integration. Okay, now change the order of integration. You change it. Now change this x and y, first y and after changing first y and second x, like this. Okay, now first is x is 0 to 1, x is this is origin 0 0 0 to 1. Okay, this is 1 0. Now set the boundary, x is a 0 to 1, this is a 0 to 1. Now y is equal to x, this is straight line, x at 45 degree. Now y is equal to x and y is equal to root x. This is parabola equation, symmetric about y axis. This curve is a y is equal to root x. Is a parabola equations. Okay, now this area is a shaded area, means region R. We require this area. This part is required. We evaluate. This is common area. This is y is equal to x. This is a parabola equation. Y is equal to root x. Now find this point of intersection. This one. Okay. Now first is given one equation, y is equal to x, and second one is y is equal to root x. Okay, now y is equal to root x is equal to y, or y is equal to x, root x is equal to x. Now squaring both sides is x square is equal to x. Take x left hand side, x square minus x is equal to 0. Now x is a common, x into x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x values are 1 x is equal to 0 and 1 x is equal to 1. Clear? Means 0 to 1. Now x is 1. 1 point, this point is 1. Now find y. Put x is equal to 0, y is also 0. Put x is equal to 1, y is also 1. Okay, this is a 1 1. Very simple. The point of intersection is, the points of intersection are 0 0 and 1 1. Put x values in this equation, you get y is also 0 1. Okay, now x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, and this point is 0 and 1. Now find this area, region. Now this is x axis and this is a y axis. Okay, now on changing the order of integration, okay, now first x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 first left to right, then y is equal to x2, y is equal to root x, bottom to top, like this. Now change the order means first bottom to top, then after left to right. Now I is equal to, now change the order. Now this is a x is equal to, now take y is equal to. Now this is first second integration, y is equal to, or take second integration is x is equal to. Okay, now change the order, bottom to top means consider this curve, bottom curve to top curve, means y is equal to 0 to, this is x axis, y value is 0 to up to 1, this point. First set the boundary 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1. Now consider next is x axis, x is left to right, first left curve, then after right curve. Left curve, this one, means parabola equation, y is equal to root x, or squaring both sides, x is equal to y square, x is equal to y square, left curve, then after right curve means this curve, y is equal to x or x is equal to y. Now this one is as it is xy. Now this is with respect to x dx, and this one is with respect to y. first you integrate with respect to x, then after with respect to y. This integration is very simple. Okay, now integration of y 0 to 1 with respect to x, y is treated as a constant. Integration of x square by 2 with the limits y square to y dy. Therefore I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1 by 2 outside constant. Now y into first upper limit is a y square minus lower limit, this is y square and x square means minus y raised to 4. Okay, dy. Now integration 1 by 2 integration y is equal to 0 to 1 multiply, this is y cube and minus y raised to 5 dy. Now therefore I is equal to integration of y cube is y raised to 4 by 4 minus integration of y raised to 5 is a y raised to 6 by 6, 0 to 1 limit. Okay, now 1 by 2 first upper limit 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 and y is equal to 0 means 0 only. Now therefore I is equal to, now take LCM and multiply 1 by 2 is a 1 upon 24. Now this is a required solution.